Good morning, children. This is our mathematics class, and today we will solve exercise 1 and 2 from your mental maths book. This is the first page of your mental maths book. Now we are going to solve some of these problems. First, 27 plus 51. 27 plus 51. Children, you write this in your copy like this. Then add these two. 7 and 1 8, 5 and 2 7, 78. Then write the answer here. Okay? In this way, solve this one. Write this in your copy, left side of your copy. Then write the answer here. Subtract. Same way we have to perform subtract. 56, 25. Then subtract 1, 3 and write the answer. Number 4. What comes just after 99? Just after 99. After 99, 100. 100 comes after 99. How many tens are there in 85? How many tens are there in 85? 85, 8 tens. There are 8 tens in 85. Encircle the smallest number. Here are the numbers. So what are the numbers? 58, 63, 90, 17. Which one is smallest? Which one is smallest? 17 is smallest. You have to circle 17. Number 7. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Descending order starts from bigger number to smaller. This is descending order. This is descending order. Okay? So, what are the numbers here? 47, 52, 70 and 38. So, which number is biggest among them? Which one is biggest? 70. So, you have to write 70 first. Then 52. Then 47. And lastly 38. So, this is descending order. Starting from biggest number, then smaller from this number, then smaller from this number, like this way. Okay? Next page, page number 5. 5 more than 61. 5 more than 61, that's mean 61 plus 5. That is 66. You have to write 66 here. Okay? Number 9. Write the number name for 60, 87. Here you have to write 60 in spelling. SIXTY. Like this. Okay? Complete this. Number 10. Write the numeral for 37. Here you have to write 37 in digits. 37. Like this. Complete the rest. B, C, D. Complete this. Okay. Number 11. Put the sign greater than, less than or equal in the box. Here, children, you have to learn about this sign, this this and this. When we will put this one or this one or this one, so you have to understand this. 68 and 70, 68 and 70, which one is greater among these two numbers? 61 or 70? 70, 70 is bigger, so our sign will be like this. Okay. You can imagine this is mouth. Okay, and this mouth always opens to the bigger number. Okay, number B, 95, 95 both are same, so here you have to put this. Number C, 33, 18. Now which one is bigger? Just identify which one is bigger, 33 or 18. 33 is bigger. Now we have learned that the mouth will be towards the bigger number. Okay. Number D, 42, 37. Identify which one is bigger, 42 or 37, which one is bigger? 42 is bigger, so the mouth will be like this. Okay, hope you understand. तो बच्चों ये जो साइन आपको ये वाला सीखना है, आई रिपीट दिस इन हिंदी फॉर योर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. इसको आप सोचिए कि एक माउथ की तरह है. सोचिए कि एक क्रोकोडाइल का माउथ है और ये हमेशा बड़े नंबर को ही खाएगा. ठीक है, तो ये इधर अगर सोचो कि 68 है और 68 और 70 दूसरा नंबर सोचते हैं. जैसे कि सोचो आप ये एक 80 है, एक नंबर है जो है 80 और एक नंबर है जो है 91. तो किस तरफ ये वाला माउथ ओपन रहेगा? बिगर नंबर की तरफ. नाउ इन दोनों में बिगर नंबर क्या है? ये वाला है, तो माउथ ऐसे ओपन होगा. ठीक है, सिर्फ इतना याद रखो. और जो नंबर बिगर होगा, वन मोर एग्जांपल फॉर यू. सपोज टू नंबर्स आर 45 and 45 and 32. ओके, 45 and 32. पहले ये सोचो कि ये दो नंबर में से कौन सा बिगर है, यानी कौन सा बड़ा नंबर है. सो बिगर नंबर इज़ 45. यू नो 45 इज़ बिगर देन 32. तो ये माउथ क्या होगा? माउथ हमेशा बड़े नंबर को खाएगा, यानी इसका माउथ ऐसे होगा. साइन विल बी लाइक दिस. ओके, सो यू हैव टू पुट द साइन in this way. Complete this in your copy, or you can do this in your math book also. Which day is before Wednesday? Before Wednesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So Tuesday comes before Wednesday. Tuesday. Okay, next page. Now the next page. Write the numeral just after 76. After 76, 77. Okay. Number 2, 6 less than 70. Less than. You have to subtract when you see less than. Like this. 2, 7, 72. Okay. 7 tens, 9 ones. You all know 7 tens, 9 ones. 79. 62 plus 26. Write in this way, and then add these two numbers and write the answer here. Do all this math by your own. Number 6. What comes just after? After 78, 79. After 78, 79 comes after 78. What comes in between 69 and 71? 69 and 71. 69 and 71. 69, 70, 71. So 70 comes in between 69 and 71. 70. Encircle the greatest number. Greatest. Which one is greatest? 47, 52, 79 and 28. 79. Greatest. Okay. Fill in the missing numbers by skip counting in threes. Next page. Skip counting by 3. We have learned skip counting in our previous class. 12 plus 3. Skip counting by 3. That means you have to plus 3 with the previous number. 12 plus 3, 15. Here you have to write 15. Then 18 plus 3, 19, 20, 21. So 21. Then 21 plus 3, 24. Then 24 plus 3, 27. Then 27 plus 3, 30. Okay, that means it goes in table of 3. Table of 3. You can learn table of 3 and complete this. Question number 10. Color the third, fifth and seventh balloon. Color the third, fifth and seventh balloon. First, second, third. So you have to color this balloon. Okay. Now fifth, fourth, fifth. You have to color this balloon. Here are only 6 balloons. You can't color the 7th balloon. This question is wrong. Okay. Number 11. Write the following numbers in ascending order. Ascending order. To write the numbers in ascending order, start with smallest number. Smallest number. Ascending order is like this. Smallest, little bigger than the previous number. This is ascending order. Okay. So which one is smallest? The numbers are 93, 87, 58, 23. Which one is smallest? 23. Then bigger than 23, it's 58. Then 87 and 93. This is ascending order. This is ascending order. Okay. Ascending order. Smallest to biggest. Ascending order. Smallest to biggest. And descending order. Biggest to smallest. Okay. Number 12. Same as the previous page. Number 12. Same as previous page. Solve this by your own. Okay. Next page. This page is your homework. Solve this page and the next page at your home. This is before number, after number, between number. You can do this. We have already discussed all of this type maths. So solve this page and this page in your book. This is your homework. Okay. Thank you.